What will happen to your body if you eat bananas every day? Will you become healthier, or on the contrary, will you harm yourself? And what about children? From what age and how many bananas can they eat? In this video, we will look at 10 claims about the health benefits of bananas. We'll also cover contraindications and share tips on maximizing the benefits of bananas and safe daily consumption. If you want to become a master of your health, click like, and let's get started. Bananas are a nutritious fruit that can provide many health benefits. Here are 10 potential benefits of eating bananas. Number 1. Vitamin saturation. Bananas are rich in nutrients, vitamins, and the natural sugars sucrose and fructose. On average, one banana contains about 20% of your daily value of vitamin B6. This helps your body produce insulin, hemoglobin, and amino acids needed to build healthy cells. Bananas contain 15% of the daily value of vitamin C. Vitamin C neutralizes harmful free radicals that can destroy at least body cells. It also helps keep blood vessels healthy. Number 2. Cardiovascular support. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. Potassium plays a key role in maintaining normal blood pressure and cardiovascular health. Here's how potassium affects cardiovascular support. Blood pressure regulation. Potassium helps lower blood pressure by dilating blood vessels and aiding in the excretion of sodium from the body through the kidneys. High blood pressure, hypertension, is an important risk factor for cardiovascular disease, including stroke and coronary heart disease. Reducing the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods, such as bananas, can reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies show that adequate potassium intake is associated with a reduced risk of strokes and may help prevent or control heart failure. Interaction with sodium. Potassium works in tandem with sodium to maintain normal blood pressure. Modern diets often contain excessive amounts of sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure. Increasing potassium intake can help balance this effect. Maintaining heart health. Potassium is important for proper heart function. It is involved in the electrical and mechanical functions of the heart, helping to maintain a rhythmic and steady heartbeat. Number 3. Blood pressure will come to normal. The usual diet contains too much sodium and too little potassium. Bananas, on the other hand, contain very little sodium but a lot of potassium, which is great for your heart health. Consuming bananas can lower high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition, adding bananas to your diet reduces the risk of dying from stroke by 40%. Number 4. Reduces the risk of developing anemia. Anemia causes pallor, fatigue, and shortness of breath. It is the result of shrinking red blood cells and low hemoglobin levels in the blood. Bananas contain a lot of iron, which stimulates the production of red blood cells. An increase in the number of red blood cells improves blood circulation in your body. Moreover, bananas contain vitamin B6, which regulates blood glucose levels. Number 5. Kidney stone prevention. Regular consumption of bananas can reduce the risk of kidney stones by increasing the excretion of calcium through urine. This is due to the high potassium content in bananas. Potassium is important for maintaining a normal balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body, as well as preventing the formation of kidney stones. When potassium levels are normalized in the body, it helps to eliminate excess sodium through the kidneys, which in turn reduces the chances of stone formation. Potassium also helps reduce the excretion of calcium in the urine. Excess calcium in the urine is one of the causes of kidney stones because calcium can combine with other substances, such as oxalate, to form crystals that can form the basis for kidney stones. Thus, eating potassium-rich foods like bananas can help prevent kidney stones by helping to maintain a healthy balance of minerals and preventing excessive calcium buildup in the urinary tract. It is important to note that the effectiveness of kidney stone prevention through banana consumption can vary depending on individual body characteristics and other risk factors such as overall diet, fluid intake, and the presence of underlying medical conditions. Therefore, it is recommended to include bananas in a balanced diet in combination with other kidney stone prevention measures. Number 6. Cancer prevention. Cancer prevention through the consumption of bananas is due to the presence of antioxidants such as vitamin C, catechins, and dopamine in them. Antioxidants protect the body's cells from free radical damage, which can contribute to cancer. Free radicals are molecules with unpaired electrons that can cause oxidative stress, damaging cell DNA, and promoting mutations that lead to cancerous growth. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods as part of a balanced diet may reduce the effects of oxidative stress and lower the risk of certain cancers. In animal studies and in some epidemiologic studies in humans, it has been shown that certain antioxidants may play a role in preventing various cancers, including stomach, kidney, and colon cancer. However, it is important to realize that cancer prevention is a multifactorial process that includes a healthy lifestyle, smoking cessation, moderate alcohol consumption, regular exercise, and a balanced diet. Bananas can be part of such a diet, but their effect on reducing cancer risk should be considered in the context of overall lifestyle and nutrition. Number 7. Improved digestion. Bananas are easily digested and do not irritate the gastrointestinal tract. The starch in bananas is easily digested and passes into the colon, where it serves as an effective breeding ground for healthy bacteria. Bananas can be eaten when a person has gastritis. They restore minerals lost during diarrhea. In addition, bananas reduce the acidity of the stomach. Therefore, eat bananas to get rid of heartburn. Number 8. Support bone health. Supporting bone health through the consumption of bananas is due to their content of important minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These elements play a key role in maintaining bone health. The potassium in bananas helps reduce the loss of calcium through urine. This is important because calcium is the main building material for bones. By keeping calcium in the body, potassium helps strengthen bone tissue and prevent the development of osteoporosis, a disease characterized by decreased bone density and increased bone fragility. Magnesium, found in bananas, is also important for bone health. It is involved in the conversion of vitamin D into its active form, which aids in the absorption of calcium in the intestine. In addition, magnesium directly affects the crystalline structure of bones, making them stronger and more resistant to damage. Thus, consuming bananas can help strengthen bones and keep them healthy due to their potassium and magnesium content. This makes bananas a healthy food to include in the diet, especially for people at risk of developing osteoporosis, such as postmenopausal women and the elderly. Number 9. Improving mood. Increasing stress tolerance. It is widely known that bananas can improve your mood. They contain tryptophan, which is required by your body to produce the happy hormone serotonin. Also, each banana contains about 27 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium helps your heart, muscles, and immune system function properly. In addition, this mineral is responsible for good mood and healthy sleep. As a result, you feel more relaxed and happier. Number 10. You will have more energy. The potassium in bananas protects your muscles from cramps, and the carbohydrates give you enough energy to endure a tough workout. It's hard to believe, but the energy you get from eating 2 bananas is enough for a 90-minute workout. Now, pay attention. Contraindications to eating bananas include 1. Diabetes mellitus. Bananas are high in sugars, which can cause blood sugar levels to rise. People with diabetes should use caution and consume bananas in moderation, monitoring their body's response. 2. Excess potassium, hyperkalemia. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is good for the heart and blood vessels, but can be harmful for people with kidney failure or those taking medications that affect potassium levels in the body. 3. Gastrointestinal disorders. Bananas can cause constipation in some people, especially if consumed in large quantities. They can also aggravate symptoms if you have gastritis or reflux due to their acidity. 4. Banana allergies. Although allergies to bananas are rare, they can cause skin rashes, itching, swelling, and even anaphylactic shock in sensitive individuals. 5. Overweight or obese. Bananas are caloric and contain carbohydrates, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess and not factored into the overall caloric balance of the diet. Anyone who has difficulties or health conditions that may be aggravated by eating bananas should consult a doctor or dietitian before incorporating them into their diet. How many bananas is it safe for children and adults to eat daily? For babies, bananas can be introduced into the diet from around 6 months of age as part of complementary foods, and they are one of the popular first foods due to their mildness, nutritional value, and ease of preparation. For babies between 6 and 12 months of age, you can start with a few teaspoons of pureed banana. As the baby grows and a variety of complementary foods are introduced, the amount can be increased. For older children, 1-2 bananas a day is generally considered a safe amount, but this depends on their overall nutrition and activity level. Bananas are good as a source of energy, especially for active children. However, as with any food, it is important to maintain a balance and make sure children are getting a varied diet with enough fruits and vegetables. If there are any medical conditions or food restrictions, a pediatrician should be consulted for individualized recommendations. The amount of bananas that can be safely consumed daily by adults depends on individual body characteristics, activity level, overall diet, and the presence of chronic diseases. For most healthy adults, 1-2 bananas per day is considered a safe amount. This will provide you with extra energy, nutrients, and vitamins without overloading your body with excess sugar or potassium. However, if you have medical conditions such as diabetes or limit your potassium intake due to kidney failure, it is best to consult your doctor to determine an individually appropriate amount. How to get maximum health benefits. To maximize the health benefits of eating bananas daily, it is recommended to follow the following tips. Choose ripe bananas. Ripe bananas contain more antioxidants, which can prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Stick to moderation. Although bananas are healthy, eating bananas in excess can increase blood sugar levels or calorie intake. 1 or 2 bananas a day is usually enough. Consume as a snack. Bananas are a great choice for a healthy snack between main meals. They can help control appetite and prevent overeating. Use as a natural sweetener. Bananas can be used as a natural sweetener in cereal, smoothies, and baked goods to help reduce the consumption of added sugars. Combine with other foods. To improve nutrient absorption, combine bananas with foods that contain protein, fats, and fiber, such as nuts, yogurt, or whole grain cereal. Include in a balanced diet. Eating bananas should be part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and healthy fats. Store properly. To prevent bananas from spoiling quickly, store them at room temperature away from direct sunlight. Freeze overripe bananas for use in smoothies or baking. Consider individual tolerance. If you have medical restrictions, such as diabetes or digestive problems, consult your doctor about the amount of bananas that is safe for you. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maximize the health benefits of bananas while maintaining balance and variety in your diet. More information on this topic can be found at the links in the description below this video and on our channel. Subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please like and share this video with your friends. Thanks to our sponsors for their support. I eagerly await your comments and encourage you to watch these useful videos.